So this came today from Coach. I bought it from the Coach outlet clearance page. It's I believe it's a Coach Rope 36. The box looked a little small for the bag. I hope they didn't squish the bag into a box that doesn't fit, but hopefully it's okay. The color of this one is supposed to be Beechwood, so I think it's kind of similar to chalk color, so hopefully it doesn't get stained. Light color bag is always more challenging to protect. And let's see. Well, look like it fit in the box fine. Let's pull it out. Get the box out of the way. Let's open it up. I think recently, at least for my packages, I think Coach has been wrapped them better than my previous orders, like a couple months ago. The plastic bag is going to break. It's just too small. Okay, let's take a look. Wow, it's actually darker than I expected. Almost look like the latte color. Coffee latte color, like cappuccino kind of color. So far, no stain or anything. The bag being squished a little bit, but not too bad at all. And inside, look at this. I love this color. I want to get a bag that with this suede color. It's so beautiful. Let's open it up. Everything looks good inside. Straps are here. Yeah. This was definitely a great purchase. This size, I think, is 36, and I think it's pretty hard to find these days, so I'm glad I got it. It's not perfect as you can see here, but I think it'll be fine once I stuff it a little bit more. So yeah. And the rope does come with the hang tag and the clutch, is it? That's how they call it? Yep.